Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. If you're someone who loves crisp, golden food but wants to keep it healthy and hassle-free, then you're in the right place. Today we're talking about the Dash Deluxe Electric Air Fryer and Oven Cooker, the 6-quart Aqua model, and its accessory bundle. It promises a healthier cooking experience without compromising on flavor, all while making it quick and easy. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's break down what makes this air fryer stand out. The Dash Deluxe Air Fryer boasts a generous 6-quart capacity, which means it's large enough for big families, dinner parties, or even your picky eaters who want different things cooked at the same time. You can throw in appetizers, chicken wings, fries, even baked goods, whatever your heart desires. But here's the twist. You don't need to worry about all that oil. The Air Crisp technology reduces fat by 70 to 80%, giving you that crispy, deep-fried texture without the grease. It's an exciting proposition for anyone who's tired of that lingering, fried food smell in the house hours after cooking. But let's be real here. Does it really work, or is it just another gimmick? Now let's talk about the setup and how this thing performs. Right out of the box, the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer is pretty straightforward to get started. The 6-quart basket is large, easy to load, and you can start cooking almost immediately. You simply load up the basket with your ingredients, adjust the temperature, set the timer, and hit start. In no time, you've got crispy food without waiting for your oven to preheat. That's one of the biggest wins for me. Getting crispy food faster than I could with a conventional oven is a game changer, especially on those busy weeknights. It's all about convenience. The auto shut-off feature means you won't have to worry about overcooking or burning your food if you get distracted. The cool touch housing and handle make it safe to use, even with little ones around. Speaking of safety, it's great to know that this unit is designed with families in mind, and the non-stick fryer basket makes cleanup a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher and you're done. But does it live up to the quick and easy promise? And how does it handle different foods? I tested it with a few different meals to really put it to the test. For instance, I tried making chicken wings, one of the classic air fryer tests. After about 25 minutes, I had perfectly crispy wings. They were golden, crunchy on the outside, and juicy on the inside. Exactly what you'd want from fried chicken, but without the oil. Now, here's where the air fryer excels. It does what it promises, quick and crispy food without a ton of mess. If you're looking for efficiency, it's tough to beat. But, of course, no product is without its flaws. One thing to note is that while it's pretty easy to use, the 6-quart basket might be a little too big for those who live alone or in smaller households. It's not huge, but it does take up some counter space, so be prepared for that if your kitchen is on the smaller side. Also, while the air fryer does an excellent job of cooking, it's not as versatile as some other models. You're still limited to air frying, baking, and grilling with the accessory kit. Though to be fair, it does come with a solid selection of accessories, like a 7-inch baking pan, 8-inch pizza pan, double-layer rack, and skewers, so you can get creative with your cooking. But if you're looking for something that can also do things like steam or slow cook, this might not be the appliance for you. Let's talk value. The Dash Deluxe Air Fryer comes at a reasonable price point, and when you factor in the accessories kit, it's actually a pretty good deal for what you get. It's easy to use, it cooks food quickly, and you get that fried food texture without the added fat. That said, you'll want to think about how often you'll use the accessories. For casual users, the accessory kit might not be as necessary, and you could potentially find something with more features for a slightly higher price, like the Ninja or Philips models. But if you're in the market for an air fryer that focuses on health-conscious, easy-to-make meals without breaking the bank, this could be a great choice. In terms of build quality, this unit feels sturdy and well-constructed. The cool touch housing adds a nice layer of safety, and the materials used are durable enough for everyday use. However, long-term reliability is still something you'd have to watch out for. The Dash brand has a solid reputation for quality kitchen products, so I expect this air fryer to hold up over time, though I wouldn't say it's built to last a lifetime if you're putting it through heavy use every day. Customer support is something I didn't have to reach out to for this review, but it's worth noting that Dash is known for its responsive service. If anything does go wrong, they generally offer helpful customer support, so you won't be left high and dry. When it comes to software or firmware updates, since this is a non-smart appliance, there's no need to worry about those here. The focus is on straightforward cooking. To wrap it up, the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer is an excellent option for anyone who wants a quick, easy, and healthier way to prepare fried food. Its 6-quart capacity is perfect for larger meals, and the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for an air fryer to make crispy chicken wings, fries, or even pizza, this one nails it. But if you need something with more versatility or a compact design, you might want to look at other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for those focused on health and convenience. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious about giving this product a try, you can find the details down in the comments box. Drop a question if you've already used it or if you're thinking of picking one up. Goodbye till next time. And remember, there's always more to discover with Reviews Inside TV.